Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get some best ordinary discount or the promo code in 2025, then this video is for you. So first you have to do is simply go to couponfollow.com/seat slash the site slash the ordinary.com, and you can find this page where you can find all these promo code are listed in one page, where you can find it is most updated promo codes in July 6, 2025, and you can find the details about the promo code here. Now you have to do is simply click on show promo code and it will reveal the promo code, and now you can find the copy button here. Simply click on copy and it will copy you entire code that you can use in your in this ordinary website whenever you are going to purchase or make an order on this product. Now the second one is glamourmagazine.co.uk/discount code/the ordinary. You can follow this URL and you can find more discount codes and discount links that embedded with this button here. Simply click on it and it will reveal the terms and conditions. From here you have to follow these terms and conditions and it will lead you to the discount page, where you can find this let me show you. So where you can find those products with discounts. Now, or you can do is simply, again, if I simply click on continue detail, then it will lead you to the search of this the ordinary website. Here it is, all the products. Now the third website is simplycodes.com/store/theordinary.com here. So make sure that they are published any official campaign with discounts or any type of promotional campaign, so you can get some promo codes from those campaigns. And these sites actually collect all of this in one place to get help others to get it easily from this one place. So you have to simply click on view code and you can find the code from here that it will reveal the code. You can simply click on copy, but this is right now is not verified, but you can try one by one and see which one actually works for you. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.